Tim Souza here, chef of Poor Judgment Bar and Grill in Newport, Rhode Island. Been a chef in Rhode Island over 10 years, and today we're going to make seared scallops with lemon, white pepper, parsley, and Romano cheese. Very simple recipe, but one of my favorites. So let's talk about the ingredients. We'll start with some nice, beautiful sea scallops. We're going to pan sear those with a little bit of salt and white pepper in a hot pan. About 2 to 3 minutes each side should get you right to medium rare where you want to be. Then we're going to do the parsley, lemon, and Romano cheese crust. What I did was I chopped up some parsley and tossed it with some Romano cheese, a little sprinkle of just some white pepper, and we'll hit the scallops with some fresh lemon juice at the end in the pan. We're going to put a little bit of the cheese mix on top of the scallops and put it in the broiler for about a minute just to melt the cheese, get a little crisp on it. It'll stick to the scallop, and you can see I've done that here. So you've got this beautiful seared scallop, little white pepper, touch of lemon juice, some Romano cheese and parsley. Wonderful flavors to bring it all together. A couple interesting ways to plate it. We can just go and take the scallops. We can put them on a bed of fresh lemons, which I've sliced here, just to give it a little accent and accompany the ingredients that are already in there. Place our scallops right on top there. Right here I have some fresh lemon zest. Just make it pop out on the plate a little bit. Put it on one side. We're going to garnish that with a little bit of parsley right there. And just for sake of having all the ingredients on the plate, a little white pepper on the other end will just make your dish look a little more appealing to your guests. So there you have seared scallops with lemon, Romano cheese, parsley, and white pepper.